Here are my top 3 credit card recommendations for beginners. Actually, madami nagtanong sa akin, ano daw ba yung best credit card for beginners? Well, sasagutin ko na yung tanong nyo. Yung first is yung Union Bank Rewards Visa Credit Card. The reason why I love this card is no annual fee for life siya. Need mo lang mag-spend ng 20k in 60 days. Pwede siya for shopping, groceries, installment, etc. So you don't have to worry about paying annual fees. Another reason why I love Union Bank is super dami ng promos with retail partners. Especially if love mo ng Apple products, super dami nilang promo with Power Max Center, Beyond the Box, The Loop, etc. So pwede kang kumuha ng iPhone na cash price tapos up to 24 months to pay. And sometimes may pay later option pa. So super bongga talaga. My second recommendation is East West. Mga nirefer na ako ng East West, na-approve naman sila kahit na wala silang existing credit card. Di daw sila ma-approve sa ibang banks, pero sa East West, nung ginamit nila yung link ko, na-approve sila. Ito pa mas maganda. Right now, you can get as much as 5,000 pesos na welcome gift pagka ginamit niyo yung referral link ko. My third recommendation is, kumuha kayo ng credit card kung saan bank kayo merong payroll or savings account. Mas mataas kasi yung chance na ma-approve kayo for a credit card if meron kayong savings or payroll sa bank na yon. Kasi malalaman nila na may pumapasok sa inyong pera regularly. So that's all for my recommendations. If meron kayong questions, just PM or comment down below.